When choosing a bike trailer, it's important to pick the right one for your needs. The Burley Encore X is perfect for parents with young kids, providing a safe and comfy ride for children. The Burley Travoy, on the other hand, is a small and useful cargo trailer that can carry gear, groceries, or supplies. So, which one is better? So in today's video, we have compared them based on their design, performance, features, and overall value to help you find the perfect fit. The Burley Encore X is a sleek and sturdy child bike trailer, built to carry 2 children comfortably. The frame is made of lightweight aluminum, and the exterior is covered with weather-resistant fabric, ensuring durability and protection in various conditions. The trailer features a spacious cabin with a large mesh window for ventilation and easy viewing. Additionally, the suspension system and 20-inch wheels are designed to provide a smooth ride, even on rough terrain. In contrast, the Burley Travoy has a minimalist design, but excels in practicality. Because of being compact size, the Travoy allows it to easily fit into smaller storage spaces, such as car trunks or closets, making it perfect for people who don't have a lot of storage space. The frame is also aluminum, and it features reflective materials for safety, especially in low light conditions. The performance of both trailers is heavily dependent on their intended use. The Encore X is equipped with a smooth suspension system, which reduces the jarring effect on rough roads and keeps the ride comfortable for the children inside. The 20-inch wheels help provide stability and make the trailer easy to maneuver, even when fully loaded. The trailer is also easy to attach to most bikes, and it includes a 5-point harness system for securing your children safely during the ride. On the other hand, the Burley Travoy is designed for handling cargo. It comes with a unique hitch system that makes it incredibly easy to attach and detach from your bike, ensuring a hassle-free experience. The Travoy's performance shines when it comes to carrying heavy loads. With its lightweight frame and 16-inch wheels, the trailer remains stable even under heavy loads, and the design allows for easy balancing. Whether you're hauling groceries or a day's worth of camping gear, the Travoy can handle it all. One of the standout features of the Burley Encore X is its versatile design. Not only does it serve as a child trailer, but it can also convert into a stroller for added convenience when you're walking or shopping. The interior is roomy, providing space for 2 children, and the trailer comes with a weather shield, ensuring your kids are protected from rain and wind. Additionally, the trailer includes a spacious storage compartment at the back, which is great for carrying extra gear or snacks. The Burley Travoy, while focused on cargo, comes with an impressive array of features that make it a practical choice for many. Its foldable design is a major perk, allowing it to be easily stored when not in use. It also has a large capacity with an expandable cargo area, which means you can fit more items without compromising stability. The trailer is designed with a simple hitch system that ensures you don't have to waste time setting up. Plus, it has reflective fabric to increase visibility in low light conditions. In terms of pricing, both trailers offer great value for their respective categories. The Encore X is priced higher, which is $649 due to its child-focused design and added features, while the Travoy is more affordable, which is $299, making it a better option for those on a budget or those who don't need a child trailer. Choosing between the Burley Encore X and Burley Travoy depends on what you need. If you're a parent looking for a safe, comfy way to carry kids, the Encore X is a better choice. It can turn into a stroller, has a weather shield, and can fit 2 kids. But if you need a small, easy-to-store trailer to carry heavy stuff, the Travoy is perfect. It's lightweight, great for carrying big loads, and works well for biking errands or trips. So that was all about the Burley Encore X vs Burley Travoy. Thanks for watching.